हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2। इफ टेंजेंट्स PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees, so हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक सर्कल है, so I'll mark its center as O. So let's take a point P here. So this is my point P. I'll draw two tangents here, PA and PB. So this is my first tangent PA. So A is the point of contact. This is A, and second tangent is PB. Now this is my point of contact B. Now we have to find angle POA. So also this is given that these two tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees. So this angle is 80 degrees. And we have to find angle POA. So let's first join OA and OB. Also we will join OP. Okay. Now we know the theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This means OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. यहाँ पे हम रीजन मेंशन कर देंगे, थ्योरम 10.1. Okay. Now since OA is perpendicular to PA, so I'll have this angle as 90 degrees. Similarly, this angle is also 90 degree. So therefore this means angle PAO is equal to angle PBO equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now we are supposed to find this angle POA. Okay. So we will use the congruency in these two triangles PAO and PBO. So let's consider these two triangles. Triangle PAO and triangle PBO. So now in these two triangles, OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Why they are equal? Because they are radii of same circle. Right? And we saw that angle PAO is equal to angle PBO. Both are 90 degrees. Also, PA is equal to PB. Why they are equal? Because the length drawn, the length of tangent drawn from external point are equal in length. Therefore, PA is equal to PB. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent using SAS congruency. So, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO using SAS congruency. Fine. Now we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. Now using CPCT, what I'll have, angle APO is equal to angle OPB. Right? This angle is equal to this angle. Now the sum of these two angles is 80 degrees. Angle APO plus angle OPB is 80 degrees. Now since these two angles are equal, APO would be equal to half of 80 degrees, that is 40 degree. So we have this angle as 40 degree and this angle is 90 degree. We can easily find this angle using angle sum property of triangle. Now in triangle APO, we will use angle sum property. So I'll have angle OAP plus angle APO plus angle POA equals to 180 degrees. You can mention the reason. Angle sum property. Okay. Now angle OAP is 90 degrees. APO is 40 degrees. And we are supposed to find angle POA equals 180 degrees. So we can easily find angle POA. So 180 minus 130 degrees. This is 50. So angle POA is 50 degrees. So which option is correct? A option is correct.